Unlocking the mystery, understanding, in the seed stages. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the intricacies of the English language to help you polish your language skills. Today, we're exploring a fascinating phrase that's often used in both business and everyday conversation, in the seed stages. This phrase holds a lot of meaning, and by the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means, but also how to use it effectively in your own conversations. So, let's get started. In the seed stages is a metaphorical expression derived from the way plants grow. Just like a plant starts its life from a small seed before growing into a full-fledged plant, an idea or project in its seed stages is at the very beginning of its development. This phase is characterized by planning, brainstorming, and laying down the initial groundwork. It's a crucial time where the foundation is set for future growth and success. The phrase borrows from the agricultural term, seed, which signifies the starting point of growth. In a business context, seed stage often refers to the early financing phase of a startup, where investors provide capital to support the business until it can generate cash on its own. However, this expression has transcended beyond the business world and can be applied to any early-stage development, be it a project, idea, or even a personal goal. To fully grasp the use of "in the seed stages," let's look at some examples. Our new product is still in the seed stages of development. We're working on the design and functionality. Their relationship was in the seed stages, with both of them getting to know each other's likes and dislikes. The government's plan for environmental conservation is currently in the seed stages, focusing on research and feasibility studies. These examples show how versatile the phrase is, fitting seamlessly into discussions about business, personal relationships, and even policy making. Using "in the seed stages" in your conversations can add depth to your discussions about beginnings and potential. Here are some tips. Use it when talking about something new or in the early phases of development. It's perfect for discussions that involve planning, potential growth, and future possibilities. Remember, it conveys a sense of optimism and potential, making it a positive addition to your vocabulary. Understanding and using the phrase "in the seed stages" can enrich your English vocabulary and make your conversations more vivid and detailed. It's a beautiful way to describe beginnings, potential, and growth. We hope this video has planted some seeds of knowledge and curiosity in you about the English language. Keep nurturing your language skills, and soon, you'll see them grow and flourish. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more language learning tips. See you in the next video.